Hello, welcome back to Mom's Bush Kitchen. I am your host, John, and this is my mom, Carolyn.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Carolyn.
Hi, John. And you.
And today we are making a classic backpacking recipe, chicken and wild rice. So Mom, I know that dehydrating chicken was just a little bit different.
Yeah, it has to be in a pressure cooker. So chicken does not rehydrate well unless it's cooked in a pressure cooker.
So if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can use canned chicken.
Canned chicken is really easy, but I was really particular. I used 4 different cans of chicken, and the only one I really liked was the Trader Joe's. So after I took the chicken out of the pressure cooker, I used a hand mixer on it.
Genius.
And I did, after I shredded it, I massaged some Better Than Bouillon into it. So if you taste that, it tastes really like chicken. Put one in your mouth. It's
Right now?
really nice, yeah.
Oh.
Acceptable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the rice, how did we do the rice?
This is just wild rice. It does have some.
It does look like rat turds. And you
Yeah.
do own rats, so
Yeah.
this is a terrifying thing.
Oh, you're right. Yeah.
So we cooked the rice,
Yeah.
and then we threw this in the dehydrator for 100 and...
That's 145, and I did that. Oh, I think that took about 6 hours.
6 hours.
Okay, well, let's just go ahead and assemble it while I tell you. Maybe 2/3.
Oh, right into this bowl, perfect.
Yeah, of a cup. And then I'm gonna have some dehydrated carrots. I did cook these myself from scratch.
This is because with vegetables, you gotta blanch vegetables, right?
do.
And so carrots you would have to blanch, or you buy frozen carrots.
Yeah, which have already been blanched.
Cool.
I love celery.
What is that? That is a hair, lady.
You get that out of there. From that dried celery, I actually made some celery salt.
Oh, cool.
Dip your finger in there.
You made this?
Yeah. Dried mushrooms at 135.
All right.
Dried onions, peas. This is garlic powder and onion powder. The necessary is poultry seasoning.
Oh, okay.
This reminds me of Thanksgiving dinner when I use poultry seasoning.
I'm guessing this gets heated with warm water.
Hot water, yeah, boiling.
Hot water.
Boiling.
Boiling water to reheat. Into the hot bag. And we're gonna rehydrate this and be right back. So we have left our chicken and wild rice in our koozie here for a little while. It is still smoking hot. Like, look at that chicken and wild rice. Like, holy cow. This is what the woods should taste like. Mom, have some chicken and wild rice. And you, watch some more of these videos over here. Some nice other recipes for you to check out.
Yeah.
This one, YouTube thinks you'll like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can learn more awesome hiking and backpacking and cooking tips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.